Multiplication of two-digit number. So in this concept, I'll explain few methods. First, let us see the pattern method. To multiply any two numbers of two-digit numbers. So for example, let me take the question 24 multiply by 12. Let me take the small number first. So this pattern method is, so we have the two digits of first number and two digits of second number. First you need to multiply this left side numbers, right left side, right side numbers you multiply and right side. And that means this 4 into 2, 8. Next left side, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, left side and right side you can write. Then next to middle. So middle pattern is we need to multiply this cross. First number to next digit last number multiply and add with other two. Like if you observe this example, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 4 is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. All we got single digit numbers. So 288 is answer. Let me take with one more example. Let me take 36 multiply with 74. Okay, so you want to multiply this. According to the pattern, we need to multiply first left side numbers, you multiply left side. Once if you practice by observing also, you can do this calculations without any calculator. And 3 times 7, so 21 you write. 6 times 4, 24. Then middle two numbers. So 7 into 6 plus 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 plus this is 42. So 12 plus 42, no? This is 54. 54 right. But we have the two digit places. Now we have to take the carryover. That means first units place is asterisk. Always remember 4 asterisk. Then tens place must be added to the next set of units place. So 2 plus 4, 6. You can add this. Next, tens place must be added to the next units place. 5 plus 1. This is 6. Finally, only 2 we have, no? 2 it is. So 2664. This we can take it as answer. 2664. Let me show you one more example, then it will be easy for you just by observing. For example, the question is, if you want to multiply 64 38. So single step is just 3 6 are 18, right? And 4 times 8 is 32, right? Just middle this both. 6 into 8 is 48 plus 3 4s are 12. 48 plus 12, no? So 68 is. Then by observing this, okay, just to write the 2 and 3 2s is 0, 3 only. 6 plus 8, you can add 14. 14 means 1 and 1 carry to this. Finally 1 plus 1 is 2. 2432. Okay. This is the pattern method you can do to multiply. So any two digit number in simple way.